Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to get fuller lips without any surgeries. This is a part of my makeup series that I started which was step-by-step in-depth tutorials of each and everything to do about makeup. So we have a brow tutorial, we have a foundation routine, and we have a highlighting and contouring video already. So I will list it down in the description box. There will be 2 other videos in this series. So the next video I will be uploading will be on blushes, bronzers, highlighters, and how to flawlessly set your makeup. The last video of this series will be about how to apply a wing liner, how to put your eyelashes properly, and how to do a basic eye makeup, which is not very complicated. So do check those videos out as well. They will be coming in next 10 days. So today's video is simply about how to get fuller lips. So all you need is a brown lip liner. So I have tried many colors of lip liners, and sometimes it's just too dark or sometimes it's just too light. So all I want to tell you guys is you do not need to go a very light shade. You do not want the exact shade of your lips. You need a shade of brown lip liner which is 2 to 3 shades darker than your natural lip color. However, it should not be too dark. So I found this color number 4 in Debra. I just could not find my color in any other brand, so I'll just swatch it and show you guys what this color looks like. This is what this color looks like. It's a warm brown color, and I will be overlining my lips with this. So before you go ahead and line your lips, you have to make sure that your pencil is really sharp. So as you can see now, this is really sharp, guys, and now I'm just gonna zoom you guys in so that you can see all the details. So starting from the edges till here, you have to actually line your lips exactly on the lip line, on your natural lip line. Do not overline this part. Then with the lower lip as well, starting from the edges till here, you're gonna just draw a line right where your natural lip line is. So as you can see, I have followed the natural shape of my lips from the edges till here, and now we're gonna overline them, and I'm gonna show you how you do it. This is where you outline your lips and create a shape. The same thing with the bottom lip. So as our lower lip naturally tends to make a shadow over here, you can go a little bit overboard with outlining down over here, but do not do over outlining over here. Do not just line too much over here, because this will show a lot. Now just fill in the outlines of your lips with the same lip liner. So I have just outlined my lips, and now I will be going with the lipstick. But before that, I would like to tell you guys that whenever you're trying to overline your lips, always wear a matte lipstick, because if you will wear a shiny or a glossier lipstick, it will actually show the natural lip line that you have. It will shine through that area. So just wear a matte lipstick, preferably a liquid matte lipstick, because what a liquid matte lipstick does is it will melt through the lip liner that we have applied outside and overlined. It will melt through that, and it will all look really seamless. So today I'll be going with Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. So try following your lip liner that you have drawn. Don't go outside the lip liner with your lipstick at all. You don't even have to go over that lip line. You just have to leave a line, a slight bit of line in the ends, but don't fill over that lip liner completely. So this shade that I'm wearing today is Driver's Seat. I recently picked a few Smashbox products, and I'm absolutely loving this. This matte lipstick is so comfortable. It does not dry your lips at all. It feels like a creamy lipstick, settles in a matte, and it just does not make your lips dry even 1%. So this is totally worth it. You guys should check this out. You can go with any other liquid lipstick that you like. You can even go with a bullet lipstick. However, I would suggest you to go with liquid lipsticks when you're trying to overline your lips, because that is going to give you a better result. So this is all for today, guys. We still have 2 videos to go in this series of step-by-step makeup. So the next video will be about blushes, bronzers, and how to set your makeup flawlessly, and also about our favorite thing, which is highlighters. So I did not want to put a lot of topics together, so that is why I'm making detailed video of everything separately, because it will become a half an hour or a 1 hour video if I try to explain the entire base together in one. However, I have done a lot of full face makeups where you can see me going through all the steps together, but that is not in so much of detail. So I wanted you guys to get as much of details that I know about these things. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified about all the future videos that I'll be coming up with. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.